The world just flipped upside down. Everyone said the USA was untouchable in tech, no rivals, no threat, but now one big question is everywhere. Is China actually catching up? And here's my bold claim. This race is way closer than most people think, but not in the way you expect. Let's break it down. Slow, clear, no hype. For years, the USA ran the tech world. Phones, internet, software, chips, AI, everything you touch every day, American-made ideas. But then China showed up, and they didn't come to play. Factories everywhere, high-speed trains crossing cities like Wi-Fi signals, solar farms the size of small countries, robots replacing humans on assembly lines. And people started saying it. The US is falling behind. China already won. It's over. And honestly, when you look at the roads, the bridges, the trains in the US, it feels old, slow, stuck. Projects take years, costs explode, traffic never ends. Meanwhile, China builds entire cities in months. So here's the problem. If tech was only about building fast, the US would be in serious trouble. But tech isn't just buildings. It's not just machines. It's not just metal and concrete. Tech has a brain and a soul. So here's the mystery. China has the factories. China has the speed. But who controls the mind of technology? Who writes the code? Who designs the chips? Who builds the intelligence behind the screen? Because that part is invisible, and invisible power is the most dangerous kind. Here's the truth most headlines don't tell you. The brain of modern tech still lives in the USA. Think about AI, the smartest AI on Earth. OpenAI, Google, Meta, all American. Every chatbot, every smart system, every AI tool you see online, they run on ideas born in the US. Now think about chips, the tiny things that power everything. Your phone, your car, your laptop, even China's factories. The most advanced chips in the world, designed in the US. Yes, some are made elsewhere, but the design, the secret sauce, that's American. China is trying to copy this, hard. They're spending billions, they're pushing their engineers to the limit, but they keep hitting a wall. Why? Because tech isn't just money, it's talent, experience, and decades of trial and error. The US has the playbook, China just has the stadium. Now here's where it gets interesting. AI is hungry. Very hungry. It eats electricity, a lot of it. To run American AI systems, you need massive power. China knows this. That's why they're building nuclear plants like crazy, non-stop, fast. They want enough power to run their future. And for a long time, the US was sleeping. But not anymore. Something big is happening quietly. Chip factories are coming back. Arizona, Texas, huge plants. Made in the USA is back on the table. The US realized something important. You can't lead the future if you outsource your brain. So now the race is tight. China has scale. They build fast. They build big. But the US has innovation, the kind that changes habits, the kind that makes the world addicted. Think about it. Most apps you use daily, American ideas. Most platforms shaping culture, American. That's power you can't pour concrete over. So is China more advanced? In infrastructure, maybe. In speed, yes. But in logic, in creativity, in innovation that controls daily life, the US still wears the crown. This isn't the fall of American tech. It's the biggest comeback story we've seen. And the next few years, they decide everything. So now I want to hear from you. Can American innovation stay ahead of Chinese scale? Or is the gap finally closing for real? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you love tech battles like this, hit that subscribe button. We're tracking this race all through 2026. No noise, just the truth. See you in the next one.
Subscribe, turn on notifications, and I'll see you in the next one.